Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin, the Community Fundraising Director with the Cholangiocarcinoma Foundation. If you're here, it's because you're setting up a fundraising page in support of our mission, and I could not be more grateful. Let me walk you through it. It takes just a few minutes. On our website, cholangiocarcinoma.org, you'll go to the top menu bar and hover over Giving. Then you'll click on Host a Fundraiser. From here, you'll scroll down and you'll click Create a Fundraiser Today. This will bring you to our GoFundMe Pro landing page where you can create your fundraising page. Click Create a Fundraiser, create an account, type in your email, and you'll create a password. Then you'll log in and you'll start creating your page. You'll select if you're fundraising in honor of someone else, and then you'll set a specific fundraising goal. A clear number like help me reach $1,000 gives people something concrete to rally behind. You can always raise it later once you hit it. Then you'll choose your page's headline. Give your page a name that sounds like you. Something like Clam Bake for a Cure feels a lot more personal than a generic title, and a warm personal page tends to raise more. You can also create a unique short URL. You'll choose your photo. This is the single most important step. A real photo of you, your team, or your loved one connects with people far more than a logo ever will. Pick one that shows the heart behind why you're doing this. Then you'll tell us a little bit more about yourself so our community fundraising team can contact you in the future. Now your page is almost complete. Another very important step is to update your story. Click Manage in the top right-hand corner. Then click the Story tab. This is where you can share your story. Keep it short and personal. Share your connection to the cholangiocarcinoma community and why this matters to you. You don't need perfect words, you just need honest ones. And here's the part most people skip. Be your own first donor. Even a small gift from you sets the tone and shows momentum. And pages where the organizer gives first tend to raise noticeably more. Last thing, share it right away and today while you're excited. The first couple of days are when most of the giving happens. Post it, text it, email it, and when donations come in, thank people quickly. A fast personal thank you means the world and often brings people back. You can even thank people directly through your fundraising page by posting a comment in reply to their donation. That's it. If you get stuck, reach out to me anytime. Thank you for being a part of this community and for everything you're doing in the effort to cure cholangiocarcinoma and support everyone impacted.